Question 6. Question 6. Let's see. Let's look at sketch the graph of each function, show the coordinates of the vertex, the equation of the axis of symmetry, and any intercepts. State the range. Oh boy. So we get to state the range here. Okay, let's do D. They're all pretty much the same. I'm just going to rearrange it off the bat. Minus x squared plus 10x minus 25. All right, take out this negative. Minus x squared plus, oops, I'm taking out the negative from here, so minus 10x, and I'm going to say, I'm going to say minus 25 out there. Now, I have to add and subtract something to complete the square, because I want to make this a perfect square. So what do I have to do? Divide this 10 by 2 and square it. 10 over 2 squared. I have to add and subtract that. Well, that's just equal to 5 squared, and that's equal to 25. Plus 25 minus 25. Okay, so that's equal to y equals, by the way, y equals minus, this is basically x minus 5 squared. We have to recognize this as a perfect square, which is square root of x, square root of 5. 5 times 2 is 10x. Anyway, it is a perfect square. Multiply that, this minus 25. Multiply this minus 25 with this minus to bring it out of the bracket. So I end up getting, oops, plus 25 minus 25. That crosses out. Here I have my graph. It's upside down. The vertex is 5, 0. And my step pattern is basically the same. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5. Range equals all real numbers such that y is less than or equal to 0. And any intercepts, well, that's just my vertex. One more question. One more question for 6. 6, I don't know. Let's just do B. 6B and D. Y equals minus x squared minus 4x minus 12. Take out the minus first. Minus x squared plus 4x. Now, this minus 12 stays on the outside. We don't have to multiply this by a minus. We're leaving it outside the brackets, so it doesn't change. All right, what do we have to do to this to make it a perfect square? Divide this by 2, add 4 over 2, square. 4 over 2 square minus 4 over 2 square. Y equals, let's just rewrite it, plus 4x over, or plus, what's 4 over 2? 2 squared plus 4 minus 4 over 2 is 2 times 2 is, or squared is minus 4. Minus 12. Y equals, by the way, this is a perfect square. Minus x plus 2 squared. This minus 4, we have to bring it out of our bracket. But because it's multiplied by this negative gets multiplied by this. So guess what? This becomes a plus 4. Minus 12. Y equals minus x plus 2. Whoops, that's not how it's written. Squared minus 8. Okay, so basically it means I go this direction twice and down 8, and I open upside down. So you know what? I can just draw it here. Go to the right 2, and down 8. Basically, our vertex will be -2, -8. And open downwards, regular step pattern, 1, 3, 5. At this stage, I'm not even going to state the step pattern. 1, 3, 5. And my axis of symmetry is whatever the x value is. X equals -2. What else does it say? State the range. Y equals set of, range. Set of y element of R such that y is less than -8. Or all real numbers such that y is less than or equal to -8. Makes sense? That's it for question